Oh, exciting. Just got this from Woodpecker, our new lathe wood turning tools. In this video, we're going to open them up, see what they look like, see how they work. Ooh, look at those. I love Woodpeckers, made right here in the U.S., just outside of Cleveland, Ohio. Beautiful CNC shop. I've actually been out there to visit. So we got the full-size square tool, the full-size detail tool, and the full-size round tool. So it's a full-size square tool. Right there, the Ultra-Shear. There's a cutter head, like on the planer, and then those things rotate so you get 4 cuts. And then you can replace them or resharpen them. A couple of things I love about these is the non-round shaft, so you could rest it at different angles on the tool rest. Yeah, I'm excited to see how these things work. I'll throw in a little plug right here. It's a tool I invented right here, the Tru Square that Woodpeckers manufactured. It's a one-time tool. Full-size detail tool right here. I think there's a packet of replaceable blades that came with them too. See what the full-size, don't cut yourself on that. Yeah. Oh wow, that's super fine cutter at the end. I guess 2 edges on that one. But also, I guess 4 edges on both sides. Man, that's beautiful machining, huh?
Yeah.
It is gorgeous. Then here's our full-size round tool, the Ultra-Shear. See what that looks like. Oh, that's cool. You could just rotate that too. Yeah, I think these shafts are really going to work out handy. Yeah. All those flat planes on there. We also got a lot of spare blades on here as well. So let's take a look, see how they work in the high school wood shop. Very exciting day.
So these Woodpecker tools, you have a nice bevel before you get to the edge, so you can find the bevel and then introduce the edge to cut. And then you've got the 45-degree places there. So when you're introducing this to a piece, it's solid there, or it's solid here, or of course you can go in straight flat. So all of these, I like these, the looks of these.
I like how you could index that. I also like that bevel too.
Yeah, well, see, yeah, that lets you get in there and get around the corner. So, yeah,
beautiful. On the square tip here.
that's pretty good for these things. See, when you can put that on a 45, you don't get the tear out.
Yeah. I like that index shaft a lot.
Yeah, no, that to me really made a lot of sense in terms of just the subtleties of, you know, and it's a great aid in getting your angles right. So, yeah, I like that. It's got a good long handle. You know, you got good leverage with it, and you can go pretty far over tool rest with it, the thickness of it too. So, I think well designed.
Beautiful. All right, so quick review on these things so far has been great. What do you think of them?
I think they're the nicest carbide tips that I've seen, just because of the bevel and the heft of the handles, and I like the square 45s on that.
Perfect. Beautiful.